Hi guys. Okay, I want to show you when that happened to you. It's usually when somebody take the dreadlock, the lock itself, and pass it through the same direction again and again and again. Now what I did was I removed the dreadlocks, the interlock that was done incorrectly, and as you can tell, it leaves a big huge gap between the client's base, like the new growth. So what I'm going to do right now is to close that. And for you to close that, you have two little legs, okay, at the base of the client's locks. So I'm just going to take my large crochet needle. From this angle, I'm going to poke a little hole right here. From this side, I will take the next side. I'm going to poke another hole. I'm going to pass my needle through. As you can tell, see, I pass it through because I'm going to interlock it that way so I could close that gap, because the lock right here in this area is not fully locked yet or hard. So it helped me. I can do this one. Sometimes you can't, but sometimes you can. In that case, as you can see, I pass the needle through. So watch as I take the lock, okay, I pass it through this direction. Let's see, sometimes it can be hard, but we're going to try anyway. Okay. Okay, see, I pass it through and out. You see the hole start closing. So we're going to take it another different direction. Now we're going to take it from here all the way to there. I didn't poke anything this time because this area is not locked yet. So I'm just going to pass the needle through. You see, the other time I did it this way. So now I'm going in the different direction, trying to close this gap right here. As you can tell, take the lock, and there we go. So I'm going to take it, like, I call this direction going north. So now we're going east, see? So now I'm going west. And that's it. Now I have all this loose hair that stays behind. As you can tell, the gap is closed. You don't see a huge gap just like this one, you see? So I'm just doing a repair. You don't see this anymore. Now you see this. So I have to enter all. You see, that's where the gap. Then I take a bunch. Okay. So as you can tell, there is no more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep on working. So now I'm done. I'm going to twist all the little fuzzies. As you can tell, there is no, I close the gap. That's how you close the gap that was done incorrectly. But you have to do it before this part start getting hard, like over here. So once you can close this gap, but if you let it get hard, like over here, like these two part is not loosed like this, you won't be able to pass it through like that. So that's what you get after.